Hello my dear YouTube friends, and welcome again to my channel. On this video we have a Honda Acty 1994 from Japan, and this car is overheating. This car is overheating, and we already checked the coolant level. It's full, but it's still overheating, so we're gonna check the thermostat, which is very common. We're gonna open this. And number 14, I think we have to get it from the bottom though. The thermostat, yeah. So let's go to the bottom of the car and open it and see if we can see the thermostat here. So it's right here, the thermostat. So as you guys can see, this is the hose for the coolant, and the thermostat is right here. So it's gonna be number 10. It's gonna be 3 number 10, I believe. Yeah. So we have we have 1, 2 and 3. So it's 3 number 10. It's a little harder. We're gonna use some leverage here. Okay, good.
Give me whatever you need to give me.
So one more right there. We don't have a flat, no? Screwdriver we didn't bring, no?
I didn't, no. We need a flat to pull it out, eh? Maybe you can bang it a bit.
Or bring me the socket number 8. It's over there.
Inside, yeah?
It's no, it's here. In the trunk.
Number 8.
Yeah, it's in the trunk. In the trunk, over there. Here. It's with all the other little sockets.
The one I took,
The small one, it's right there. Huh? Oh, I got it.
Huh?
Eh?
Got it?
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Got 2 bolts out. One more. Let's see. We don't have a ball or anything.
Huh?
We don't have like a ball or anything.
To stop it, eh?
Mm.
We have the...
Huh?
This can fit.
No, but maybe I put the hand or something maybe.
And what I do?
Or like
That's
a...
all coolant, huh?
Yeah, should we just throw it out? Yeah?
Fucking, I'm like to have enough water. Oh, it's a big one.
Okay.
What should I do?
Remove it.
But this is stuck.
Yeah, grab this.
Pull it. Just pull, eh?
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
And this gasket, I put it back.
Put it back here, yeah. Okay. Okay.
That's cool. But this thing looks rusty and stuck too. You cannot move.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay. We're showering. I'm showering coolant.
Nice.
Nice. Yeah. Okay. Everything. We spilled everything.
There is a lot of gunk here. Eh?
Okay.
Well, this gunk can be that gasket.
100%.
So is the gunk.
Oh no, the gun. Look, the gun. Not sure, but let's try without this.
And we see what happens.
And
We
hopefully,
go through South King Street.
yeah, hopefully it doesn't overheat anymore. Yes. There's a socket with the extension right below you.
What you need?
There's a socket with the extension. And now we just have to put the water and
More coolant and
you
see.
can take it.
Oh, you don't need it.
No.
No lifting.
Give me the. Oh, can you hand me the plier?
Yes, the blue one.
Yes, please. Thank you. So I'm gonna make it tight again.
Go get the other bottle.
Okay. Okay, we're good here. All right, we got this housing back into the engine, and we just have to get a new thermostat, but we're just gonna order it online. Yeah.
That's a head gasket.
Well, yeah, there's some gun here, but let's add some water now and try to make it home. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video. If you guys have some trouble with this car, if it's overheating, try to remove the thermostat like we just did, and that may solve your issue. We're gonna fill it up with water and start it now and see if it still overheats. Okay guys, this is the thermostat itself. It doesn't look bad, but there's just there's some gunk there, and I believe it's oil, so there might be some oil going into the cooling system, meaning we have a bad head gasket. So we're gonna have to do any further tests here. Alright my friends, so the temperature went up. It lasted longer but still went up, so I think this might have an issue with the head gasket, which right now we're about to check the compression on this car. So this is gonna be for the next series, the next video on this car. So stay tuned guys, subscribe to my channel, and I will keep uploading Honda Acty videos on a separate playlist from my other videos. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please comment down. I always answer you guys, and again, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and see you in the next video.